So hello and welcome back to my channel. So today my topic of discussion is melatonin hormone. So melatonin is what? Melatonin is basically a hormone which is generally released by pineal gland. Pineal gland is present in the center of the brain. It is a pea-sized gland and its important role is in circadian rhythm, which helps to maintain the sleep and wake cycle. So melatonin is what? Melatonin is a hormone which is generally released by pineal gland. It is a pea-sized gland located in the center of the brain, and its important role is to maintain circadian rhythm and which is sleep-wake cycle. Relation with light exposure. So if we take the relationship, and when the bright light is present, melatonin is in its low level, and in the dark environment, it is in the high level. As for example, in the daytime, melatonin is decreased, and in the night time, melatonin is increased because melatonin helps us to fall asleep. And if we take the graph, melatonin is generally decline with age. When you can see that if a 10-year, 20, 30, 40, 50 or 60 or 70-year patient, we can generally see at the younger age melatonin is high, and in the older age melatonin is decreased. Clinical relevance. If a person is exposed with light in the evening time, then it is strongly suppresses the melatonin, which results in difficulty for falling asleep and later onset of sleep, where the patient or the man or woman cannot sleep at right time. He or she will sleep late time, and he will wake up also late because he will have some difficulty in waking up. There is a syndrome called delayed sleep phase syndrome. In this case, the patient generally wakes up 2 or more than 2 hours later of desired hours. So what is the function of melatonin? Melatonin generally promotes onset of sleep. Melatonin level is raised in evening. It is in its peak at midnight. Its fall in the morning, and it is low in the daytime. In the evening, it rises. In the peak moment, midnight, it is at its highest level. In the morning, it is falling, and in the daytime, it is high at its lowest level. And the melatonin receptors, the MT1 and MT2, are present throughout the body. And these receptors also present at suprachiasmatic nucleus. Suprachiasmatic nucleus is what? It is present in the anterior hypothalamus, and it maintains circadian rhythm. So what are the functions? It helps in sleep and circadian rhythm. It lowers the body temperatures. It lowers the body pressure, blood pressure. And disruption. One is DSPS. What is DSPS? Delayed sleep phase syndrome. In this case, patient cannot wake up at the desired moment. Suppose the patient wants to wake up at 5 am, but he or she will wake up at 7 or 8 am. Shift work. If a man or a woman has a shift work, like between morning and night, there is no such a fixed time, then he will have some problem in case of jet lag and seasonal affective disorder, such as in case of increased melatonin or dark winter months. Then autistic spectrum disorder, where low melatonin. And if we see the medication part, melatonin is used as medicine in case of short-term patient and longer term. Short-term, what is this? In case of insomnia or jet lag patient, and longer term for chronic condition or chronic patient, in case of which like learning disability. So if we summarize again, melatonin is a hormone released by pineal gland, which is a pea-sized gland located in the center of the brain. Its important role is to maintain the circadian rhythm, which is sleep and wake cycle. Relation is in the bright light, it is decreased, and the dark environment, it is increased. Melatonin generally declines with age. Its clinical relevance is what? If a patient or a stone man exposed with light in the evening, such as mobile, laptop, or anything, then it is strongly suppressing the melatonin, which results in difficulty in falling asleep. If a patient sleeps late, the patient will rise late. It is a common phenomenon. And DSPS is what? It is a delayed sleep phase syndrome. In this case, a patient generally wakes up 2 or more hours later than the desired hours. Function: melatonin promotes construct sleep. It is in the rising in evening at its peak moment in midnight, falling at morning, and it is low at its daytime. Melatonin receptors MT1 and MT2 present throughout the body, and the suprachiasmatic nucleus, it is also present. It is present in the anterior hypothalamus suprachiasmatic nucleus, which maintains the circadian rhythm. And the function is also sleep and circadian rhythm maintenance, lower body temperature, and lower blood pressure. Disruption is what? DSPS, means delayed sleep phase syndrome, shift work, jet lag, seasonal affective disorder like increased melatonin or dark winter month, autistic spectrum disorder in case of low melatonin, and medication is what? In case of short term, insomnia, jet lag; in case of long term, chronic condition like learning disability. So that is for now. I think I have explained melatonin very well, and if you have any query about melatonin, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also suggest me in which topic you want the next video. Thank you.